So yung the best ang flying dito is morning, 6 to 8 ganon. Kasi kapag hapon na, kapag tanghali na, malakas yung hangin. So may tendency na pwede nila daw i-reschedule yung flight. Welcome to Pangasinan Flying Club. Maaga kaming dumating. 5:30 yung call time. Nakapag-register kami agad. Nag-sign kami ng waiver. After the waiver, nag-prepare yung aircraft. And after the aircraft prepare, ayun, nag-fly na kami. Okay, let's go!
Let's go! Start ko na. Starting!
Start na!
Hi, Dad!
Hi! It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Nung nasa taas na ako, grabe. Para akong pipi. Kahit nagsasalita ako, wala akong marinig. Kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. So 15 minutes flight is not enough, pero it was an amazing experience. Grabe ang saya, literal as in. So nice, it's amazing. Grabe, ang sarap. Happy birthday to me. Grabe yung pangarap ko nung bata ako na maging flight attendant na nagawa ko lang today. Thank you Lord for this wonderful birthday. Thank you Pangasinan Flying Club for making my birthday special. Grabe. Woo! Bumaba na ako, nag-take off na kami para naman akong bingi. As in, ang sakit. Pero hindi naman ako nabahala. Sobrang sayang feeling kapag nasa taas. Grabe. Grabe, worth it siya talaga. Kaya ano pang inaantay? Tara, punta na kayo dito. Meron silang new rates since they transferred to the new airport terminal. So you can enjoy a complimentary 1-month membership with access to their aircrafts and a memorable flight experience with their skilled pilots. Fully air-conditioned, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary of snacks and drinks from Anya Cafe. Pero since na new pa lang ito, di pa kami pwedeng maka-access ng Wi-Fi nila. Next time, pwede nang mag-access. Ito pala yung in-order namin. Sa set A, Cafe Americano and Chocolate Chip. And sa akin yung set B, Spanish Latte and Caramel Croffle. Ang sarap, grabe. So, ang rates ay ito. How to get there? Take a bus bound for Baguio, but before that, inquire if it passes through inner cities. If yes, drop at Binalonan Crossing or sa may Jollibee. From there, ride a tricycle and tell the driver to drop you off at WCC Gate 1 New Terminal. Located at ground floor terminal building, Binalonan Airport, Barangay Limansangan, Binalonan, Pangasinan, Philippines 2436. What are the benefits of being an ultralight pilot? Enjoy fantastic views from the air. No license required to fly ultralight aircraft. Fly freely while earning and give free ride for your family and